falling for you.
Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. We are making some popsicles. That was my pineapple juice and my Zobo drink. Yes, so I have my popsicle molders. That's the cups for the ice cream. And then this is my stick. It's called Sokodria. It's medicinal, very good. So I love using it for my ice creams. So this is just a simple fruity popsicles. Yes. No ice cream machine maker, no cream, no sugar, just our normal fruit juice, and we are good to go. Yeah, so I'll just fill my cups with my juices and I'll arrange them according to the style or the layers I want. So you do same. Just use any juice of your choice. So after 3 to 4 hours, the first layers are good to go. So I top up and I'll do same for the rest. Then I stick in my stick or my popsicle holders. Yeah, that's my Sokodria. Just use any fruit juice of your choice. Very simple, very natural, and so sweet. So after this, I freeze it again, and after 24 hours, these are my popsicles. Very solid and so sweet. So I remove them from the molders and I serve them. Just look at that. Wow, beautiful, sweet, authentic, natural, healthy popsicles, and the kids are gonna love it. Just look at this. Don't stress yourself buying ice creams for the kids. Use your normal natural fruit juice to give them such sweetness, and they're gonna love it. The kids love it, trust me. So I just garnish them with some citrus fruits, and just look at that, so beautiful, so natural, so authentic. Please try this at home and send me a comment. Thank you so much for standing by with me. Thanks for the subscriptions, the likes, the comments. And if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome to Tasty and Fresh. Yes, so we are done for today. Just look at my little niece, the way she's enjoying it. She said, thank you, Auntie. Bye-bye.